gonna come over tomorrow. We're gonna finish this up. And I'm gonna be ready for mudding and taping. Mudding and taping. That shit sucks. But it's so expensive and you can never find anybody to come do this stuff on at least a timely basis. And it's so expensive because nobody does it anymore. So I'm just gonna slap some mud on it. It's just a garage. Sand it up a little and throw some paint on it. And my little shop, my little mill is getting dirty, so I threw a cover over. I gotta throw a cover over that snowmobile too. What a mess. Anyhow, all that fine dust everywhere. Everything's white. Fine dust everywhere. All right, have a good night. Well, now I'm mudding and taping this wall that I'm putting in my garage for my shop. I don't even know if I'm on the camera, but anyhow, I think it's Ottawa something design. Anyhow, the guy is on the internet, on YouTube. His name is Jeff, and I think he's a Canadian or something. He's awesome. I just kind of watched a few of his videos, but hey, I can do this. So I'm just going to slap some mud on the old Hawk. That was awesome. I've done a little bit of mudding. I always use that stupid tray. After you use one of these, it is like he says. I'm going to go back. So there you go. I got a big old Hawk full of mud. Let's see if I can get up here. So this is like my third coat of covering this tape up. So anyhow, right-handed, trying to go the other way. You're reaching over your body. Just go with your right hand along the right side of the wall. And then, I don't know, everybody's got their own thing, but I just seem to grab a chunk of this shit and just slap it out of there, right? So I just try to get enough out of here that I can start smoothing it out, right? Make a big old mess. Like that. Alright. Throw it on there. Take it off. And that was what I never used to do. This. I was just piling this stuff up all the time and sanding my ass off. As long as you take this shit off, basically, what you're looking for is something smooth, right? Try to feather those edges is some hard on the outside of the drywall. Right? And then go into your best part. That was the part here. Kind of messed up and come in. Gonna get in this corner. If I'm looking in the picture here, let's see, up in this corner. Here we go. And I like his trowel that he uses better than these things do. But I can't spend the money on it. I had this. One of these days, maybe. Might as well not this shit I ever do. I've only done it twice. They've both been on garages. Didn't really care too much. So, but I have done some concrete work in the past, and I like the idea of using a trowel. Anyhow, turned out okay. Biggest thing is getting all the big deep gouges out of there, right? So, you know, my channel is what the fun. Usually I'm having fun, but this, not fun. If you have the money, hire a pro. All right, well, the wall's coming along. Finally, priming. That's the secret to drywall. The fresh drywall. You gotta have a good, what do you call this shit? Sealer primer made for this stuff. I bought this stuff at Sherman Lyons joint. Shout out to them for giving me a good contractor deal. Anyhow, this hides a lot of imperfections and covers up so your paint goes a little further too. So definitely worth the extra money to put the primer over this stuff and instead of just slapping the paint on it. I've done that before and it doesn't turn out very good. Anyhow, I'm gonna throw that out there. Just give it a good slop coat on there. Slop it on and it sucks it right up too. Make sure you got plenty of it. Slap this shit up there. Makes it a lot better. That's better. Don't be afraid to get up there by the ceiling. I don't want to trim much. But it's getting more funner because we're almost done. I love my dog Gunner. I was a poet, didn't know it. Anyhow. Try to hide all that rotten tape job I did. Actually, it's not turning out too bad. We'll see when I put the eggshell on it. Rub it in good. I'll get the paint going. Hopefully in about 6 hours. Watch this. Let there be light. And there was light. Sweet. Thanks, Jake. Well, as usual, I forgot to videotape a little project I had, and I thought I would show the lathe in action. I finally got the shop done, guys. So there's the garage. And then this was the third car, this wall. I'll make a video of that one of these days. But anyhow, basically, this is it. Mill. So I'm gonna tinker with this. I got myself a little piece of, I think it's nylon or something. Anyhow, I'm making a knob for this old welder. It used to be my dad's. And just thought it'd be a quick job. Whip it out here a little bit. But I'm gonna try and see. I gotta turn this. Turn this thing on and do a bolt hole circle and see how I can do this. What's this? I don't even know what this thing is. Oh, all right, gotta hit this. I should probably read all this stuff before I mess with it. Huh? That wouldn't be me. Anyhow, I'm gonna play with this. What is this thing? The G096 Grizzly, and put a little pattern on there with the end mill and turn it down a little bit and put it on there. So anyhow, and when I figure this out, I'll let you know how I did it.